Here's how to change the app icon size on Android. Now, on your Android phone, the first and easiest way is to swipe up and tap on your settings to open it up. After you've opened up your settings, let's scroll down a little bit and you're looking for home screen. If you don't see that, you can just search for home screen. Tap on it, and there are a couple different options you have. The first option is app size here. You can see I can slide this down and make the app icon smaller. You can see now they're quite a bit smaller. And then I can slide it all the way up, and now they're quite a bit bigger. But there are other things we can do as well. Let's go back into your settings, and let's say you wanted to change them even bigger or smaller. Let's first just go to Home Screen Grid and tap on that. You can see here a 4x6 or 5x6 will make all of those app icons smaller or larger, essentially taking up more apps in one screen or fewer apps in one screen. So if you want them bigger, you can choose 4x6. Keep in mind, on a different phone, you might have different options. Everything to the left is bigger app icons, to the right is smaller app icons. But we can also tap on App Screen Grid here. You'll be able to see instead of 4x6, we can choose 5x6. And again, it makes all of those apps smaller in the app grid. So I'm going to choose the bigger options because I like those and get out of here. Now you'll also notice app labels. You can see here, if I turn on app labels, it makes those apps a little smaller. And if I turn it off, it makes them a little bit bigger. So again, you can control if you want them smaller or bigger, depending on whether you want labels. So now we've hopped out of here and I've made these as big as possible. However, there's one other way that I can make them bigger. I can tap on the Facebook app and hold it. You can see if I tap and hold, a widgets option here. Now keep in mind, this doesn't work for every single app. It needs to be built in as an option for that app. But for Facebook, I can tap on widgets. And then all I need to do is tap on this and hit add. Now you'll be able to see a Facebook widget. I can make it bigger if I wanted to, or I can make it long, or I can make it a bit smaller. But you can see just like that, I can tap out of here. And now it is a Facebook icon that basically is larger than the normal app icon. I can tap on it and it will immediately get me into my Reels, but you can always just go back and go to your normal Facebook from there. Essentially, it allows you a really large widget to be able to get into any other apps.